So you installed that new firmware and those new presets, right? But are you still using your old volume pedal and your old wah pedal? Stick around and I'll show you how to set up an expression pedal which can replace those old guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm Doug B, and I really do appreciate you spending some of your time at my channel. The guys at Fractal Audio built the ultimate preamp / effects processor, and it can replace entire rigs. I mean, here's a shot from a band that have the guitars and basses all running through one FX3. However, some guys still want to use some of their old trusty, rusty pedals with their FX3, and two of the biggies are volume pedals and wah pedals. You know, you can still use these if you'd like, or you could pick up an expression pedal or two and use them for volume, wah, and so much more. Did you know that the FX3 currently has 8 different types of wah pedals built into it that you can choose from? I mean, do you really still just want to use your old rust bucket? Dude, sell it to your drummer. There's a lot of flexibility available when using expression pedals, and they can allow you to produce sounds that are pretty much impossible when using regular pedals. But before we deep dive into expression pedals, let's do a basic setup. Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing here so far, go ahead and, just hit that like button and lightly tap that subscribe button. No need to smash anything unless you're on that Pete Townsend kick. Thanks much. Each of the 2 local expression jacks on the back of the FX3 allows you to connect one expression pedal or one external foot switch. Before we do the setup, we need to calibrate the expression pedal first. You can get the requirements for expression pedals at the Fractal Audio website. One biggie though, expression pedals must be used with TRS cables. But what exactly is a TRS cable, you ask? Can't you just use one of your old guitar cables? In a word, no. TRS stands for tip ring sleeve and describes the configuration of a 1/4-inch end plugger jack with 3 contacts. Normal guitar cables are TS, or tip sleeve, since they lack the ring used as a 3rd contact. Or to look at it another way, your guitar cable only has 1 black ring on the jack. A TRS cable has 2 black rings. That's the easiest way to tell the difference, at least to my eyes. If you are using the expression jacks on the FX3, connect your expression pedal to the desired jack with a TRS cable, then follow these instructions to calibrate. Push the knob directly under Setup. Use the down arrow to go to the I/O menu and hit Enter. Page right to the pedal page. Make sure that the type is continuous. Then you would use the down arrow to go to Calibrate Pedal, hit Enter, and then you would follow these instructions. You would move the pedal through the range of motions, and when you're done, you would hit Enter. If you are using an FC controller like me, you would follow these instructions. Push the knob directly under Setup. You should be at FC Controller's entry. Press Enter. Now either page left or right to get to the remote page. Notice at the top that Target FC is referencing FC number 1. We will assume that we're only using one FC controller. Use the down arrow to go to pedal 1 type. Make sure it's set to continuous. Now go down to pedal 1 calibration. Press Enter. And go through the range of motions with the pedal. And when you're done, press Enter. Now you press Exit, and you are back. Now let's do a global expression pedal setup, because pedals need to be assigned before they can do anything. Once you have connected and calibrated a pedal, you can globally assign it as External 1, which is used in many factory presets as a wah controller. To set External 1 to respond to your connected pedal, from the home page, press the knob underneath Setup. Use the down arrow key to go to MIDI Remote and press Enter. Use page right to go to external. Use the value knob to go to external 1. It's already there, external control 1. Now, if you're using the expression jacks on the FX3, turn either the A push knob or the value knob to set this as either pedal 1 or pedal 2. If you have an FC6 or an FC12 controller, you can choose FC1 pedal 1 through FC1 pedal 4 because the FC controllers have 4 expression jacks. You can have up to 4 FC controllers connected to your FX3, so theoretically you could choose FC1 pedal 1 all the way up to FC4 pedal 4. Yeah, 16 expression pedals. Press exit when finished. Most of the first 100 factory presets contain a wah block that you can test with. The preset is set so that the wah is off in the heel down position. If you leave the pedal untouched, the wah won't affect the signal. However, the wah will come to life as soon as you move the pedal. No need to push down on a switch to engage the wah pedal. Kick it back to the heel down position and the wah will turn off automatically. Again, no need to push down on the pedal to engage the switch to turn it off. All right, let's do a little test of the wah-wah pedal. Now let's do a global volume pedal setup. The Axe FX3 allows remote control of the volume at all inputs and outputs. If you have a second pedal, or if you want to use one pedal for global volume instead of expression, follow the instructions below. The first step is to decide which volume you want to control. Adjusting input volume affects gain, distortion, and the behavior of level-dependent blocks like the compressor or gate. Adjusting output volume does not affect level-dependent block, but scales everything you hear, including effect tails. In simpler terms, controlling input volume is kind of like controlling the volume knob on your guitar. Controlling output volume is kind of like controlling the volume knob on your amp. I choose to control input volume. To set up a global volume pedal, first make sure that you have a pedal connected and calibrated. Then, from the home page, press the knob underneath Setup, go to MIDI Remote, press Enter, page right to go to Other. Now here you have to go down quite a ways. It's underneath I/O. I'm choosing Input 1 volume, and I use my FC1 pedal 2. Select pedal 1 or pedal 2 for the onboard expression jacks. See, pedal 1, none, pedal 1, or pedal 2. Or FC1 pedal 2, or pedal 1, or select FC1 pedal 1 through FC4 pedal 4 for the FC controller expression jacks. Test it and hit exit when you're done. Okay, let's try a little test of the volume pedal. So how'd it go for you guys? You get those old pedals tossed out the way and got that expression pedal rocking? I sold my wah pedals and my volume pedals, just no need for them anymore. So hope you had good luck, guys, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be glad to take a look into it and see what I can do, and that way we can all learn this stuff together. All right, thanks much, guys. See you next time.
you.